Another new feature of the CJV200 is the cap is an end user replacement now. I think this is 12 months, but if you had any problems within that time, you can just order one and replace it yourself. And to do that, you would go to test print and cleaning, down to station maintenance, and then carriage out. And this time we can just go move the platen to the right end. So right arrow in and the carriage will move out. Open the door, and the cap, this blue one again, you've got two clips at the top and at the bottom, and if you squeeze those in, the cap will just come out. It's important to make a note of the orientation of it, because you've got these three pins at the back, so the new one has to go in the same position. Once you've got your new one, just line up the pins and then just make sure it clicks in, and obviously make sure that it's looking level and flat. Once you've done that, press enter, close the door, sensor, enter again, and then the carriage will move back, and that's the cap replaced.